You know, we are feminists. We are really feminists.
How about
be careful about sexual harassment.
Hello everyone, my name is Just Somebody. Welcome to my channel. Right now, I'm in France right now at a university trying to ask French girls for a French kiss. This is going to be so scary. I'm a little bit stiff now, so I have to loosen up. This is gonna be pretty crazy. So basically my plan is I'm gonna walk up, do an interview with them, and my first question will be, hey, so I'm asking girls in France for a French kiss, and then try to lean in, I guess. So make sure you go down right now and subscribe. I travel the world full time. I'm hitchhiking, I'm couch surfing, I'm giving you guys tips on how to do it too, and doing crazy stunts and silly videos like this. So make sure you guys turn on your post notifications and get ready for some great content. Let's do it. My video is called Asking Girls in France for a French Kiss. So I was wondering if if any of just like a simple, like a quick peck. I'm trying to experience like the whole entire like French culture. I'm asking girls in France for a French kiss.
Oh no, sorry, no, you have a boyfriend.
Okay, I have a boyfriend too and he's filming. We can celebrate together when we cheat. I'm making a YouTube video today in France, asking girls in France for a French kiss, because I'm trying to, get the whole cultural experience. So I was wondering if I can give you a quick, quick French kiss, a quick kiss.
Okay.
Yeah? I'm asking girls in France for a French kiss. So I'm trying to, get the full French experience. Because, as a travel vlogger, I have to get the full travel experience.
I'm Brazilian, in fact.
Okay,
so
even better. Sing Brazilian in France. If I give you a kiss, push me away if it's a no.
Okay.
I'm asking girls in France for a French kiss.
I have a boyfriend and I'm Canadian, so you got a wrong one. Have a great one.
Yeah, Just Somebody. You'll be in the video.
Okay, cool.
And show it to your boyfriend. Be like, hey dude, look, I'm f***ing loyal. I'm asking girls in France for a French kiss. That is the reaction that everyone gives me. So if I were to give you a kiss, would you say no?
No,
So
I'm gonna say yes, yeah.
I'm asking girls in France for a French kiss. Because, I make travel videos, so I need to get the full travel experience.
Your first experience?
My first French kiss in France.
I'm not very good in French kiss.
Can I kiss you?
You want a French kiss?
Can I kiss you? The title of my video, Visiting France, is called Asking Girls in France for a French Kiss. Because I'm trying to get the full cultural experience. And since we're both in France, I think we should share that experience together.
So,
can I give you a kiss?
French kiss?
Yeah.
No.
A quick kiss. How about a peck?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. That was awesome. I'm asking girls in France for a French kiss.
Il veut t'embrasser. Why?
Because I need a full cultural experience.
Mais t'es sur internet, on YouTube, non?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Ah, je sais, j'ai déjà vu ces vidéos. Genre, il dit, ouais, je dois embrasser des filles et il t'embrasse, tu vois. Ok.
Yeah, so can I give you a kiss? Yes? Okay. Yeah, come down here. Yeah, come down.
On arrive.
Okay. Okay, so I just saw these two girls all the way on top of this building, and I told them to come down so I can ask them if I can kiss them. Oh, they're coming down right now. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe and let me know down in the comments. Keep this rolling. Alright, so I think they're coming down. Hey guys.
Hey.
Hey, we're filming, is that cool? Yeah, cool.
You speak French?
No, I'm a YouTuber from America.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm just making a video here. I'm traveling Europe. I'm just gonna ask you guys one quick question and that's the end of the video.
Okay.
I'm going around and I'm asking girls in France for a French kiss.
A French kiss?
Yeah. So,
okay.
Yeah, so can I kiss you?
Okay.
I'm asking girls in France for a French kiss.
Okay, I see kind of stuff.
So, would it be okay if I gave you a quick kiss?
On lips, it's not possible. You know, we are feminists. We are really feminists.
How about-
Be careful about sexual harassment.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, this is good, and that's why I'm saying no. But this
Okay.
is cutie.
I
We can
know.
have
A kiss on the
bees,
cheek?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take that. That's a win.
cool.
Alright, you're a good spirit. That was an awesome video to film. I wanted to film this video for ages, asking girls in France for a French kiss. This is where the French kiss was born, and today they proved that to me. If you guys enjoy my videos, I make lots of content, travel tips, crazy videos like this, stunts, and much, much more. So go down and subscribe now and turn on your notifications so you do not miss another video. My name is Just Somebody, and no plans are the best plans. Let's do this. Woo!
Your YouTube channel.
Just Somebody. You can find me on Instagram. If you type in Just Somebody on Instagram, my YouTube is also in the bio.